Namaste, welcome to Triyogam. Today we're going to learn about Ardha Purvottanasana, half upward plank pose in detail with the following key points. Meaning of the asana, steps with breathing, adjustment, benefits, contraindications and variations. Are you ready? Grab the mat and let's get started.
Meaning of the asana. Ardha Purvottanasana. In Sanskrit, Ardha means half, Purva means east, Uttana means intense stretch, Asana means pose. In English, it's called half upward plank pose. Steps with breathing. Sit in Dandasana with the legs extended straight in front. Place the palms on the floor by the sides of your hips. With inhalation, bring your palms behind the buttocks on the floor and bend your knees at the chest level. Widen your feet shoulder width apart. Take the pressure of the body on the hands and your feet. While exhaling, lift the body off the floor until parallel to the ground. Straighten the arms and keep the elbows tighten. Stretch the neck and relax the head as far back as possible. Maintain the final pose from 30 seconds to 1 minute without any strain. While inhaling, bring the neck forward and slowly bring the hip down. And relax in Shitila Dandasana. Adjustments of Ardha Purvottanasana. Adjustment number 1. Your feet apart with the shoulder width distance. Adjustment number 2. Arms and shin bone perpendicular to the floor. Adjustment number 3. Thighs and torso parallel to the floor. Adjustment number 4. Fingers pointing forward. Adjustment number 5. Relax your neck muscles and stay in normal breath. Variations of Ardha Purvottanasana. Variation number 1. Lift your hip off the floor and slowly extend your left knee until your left calf muscle parallel to the floor, and slowly reach your neck as far back as possible from your side. Maintain the final pose from 30 seconds to 1 minute or as long as comfortable from your side. Variation number 2. Lift your hip off the floor. Extend your legs one by one and slowly reach your neck as far back as possible from your side. Make sure both the feet are grounded firmly on the floor. Maintain the final pose from 30 seconds to 1 minute without any strain. Benefits of Ardha Purvottanasana. Number 1. Strengthens arms, wrists, ankles and your legs. Number 2. Builds and tones core muscles. Number 3. Stretches the shoulders and chest. Number 4. Relieves fatigue and stress. Contraindications of Ardha Purvottanasana. This asana is strictly prohibited for people with high blood pressure, cervical spondylitis, stomach ulcer, and weak wrists.
If you like our content in the video, hit the thumbs up. Share with your friends. Want to say something? Comment below. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to
press the bell icon.